Hello again, everybody. Dave Sacchetti, PG4 Super Center. We got here a 2012 GMC Sierra crew cab short box with, you know it, the 5.3 Vortec. Great engine here for GM. Good job on that one, guys. We got here the trailer mirrors, so you can hook up your trailer, and away you go. You don't have to put on those ugly things you put on there. Great mirrors. Full crew cab, nice short box there, easy to park when you go through Tim Horton. Get your coffee. Let's go take a look on the inside. This one's got some real nice extras here. Somebody did some real nice work here. Nice aftermarket Kenwood here. Stereo with a nice backup camera, like so, hooking up your quad and boat there. Away you go. Bluetooth, individual climate control, auto all-wheel drive, real nice feature. You want to see this truck, come on down here, ask for Dave Sacchetti, PG4 Super Center.